So, good afternoon, everyone. Again, my name is Ariel Limpiada, and my report is about Module 10, which is about emerging technologies and network security. So, emerging technologies are rapidly reshaping network security with advanced technologies like with AI, machine learning, blockchain, and of course, the quantum computing, which is play a significant role in both offense and defense of network security. And here are the other. We have zero trust architecture, behavioral biometrics, Internet of Things security. We have a cloud security and 5G edge computing. So first is we have the artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing cybersecurity by enabling advanced threat detection, rapidly incident and response, and proactive risk management. So advantage ito is again nga, so they check each or they advance detect the threats. So the example of this is the AI powered system that can analyze vast amount of data to identify patterns and predict potential security. And of course, it is a beyond na siya sa human capability. So that why it is one of the most advanced. And next example naman is for learning. So the learning use the algorithm that can be used to detect and prevent social engineering attacks and malware dissemination. And next natin, we have a blockchain technology. So we already know the blockchain technology because it known for its use for in cryptocurrency, which is one of the most popular in today's era. And it offers potential for secure and transparent data management and threat intelligence sharing. So the example of this is the blockchain can create a decentralized threat information repository, which is used to avoiding a single points of failure and tampering of sensitive data. So yun yung one of the focus ito. It used to avoid tampering of sensitive data. So next is we have a quantum computing, which is uh, quantum computing is a it possesses a threat to current encryption method. It also offers opportunity for developing quantum resistant cryptographic solutions. So example ito is the blockchain. The quantum is resistant cryptography is a crucial for ensuring the continued security of data in the face of potential computing advancement. And next, we have a zero trust architecture. So this architecture is about the security models that require a strict identity verifications for every person or device trying to access an organization network security, which is example ito, it use a zero trust that assume that no user or device can be trusted by default. So each one will be detect or requiring to constant verification and of course access control. And next is we have the behavioral biometrics. So this approach naman is use machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior or to identify and prevent unauthorized access. So example of this is the behavioral biometric can detect unusual patterns in user behavior that indicates a security breach. So example nito in today's is yung mga CAPTCHA. So use yung ngayon yung mga traffic lights, yung mga ganun. Check mo or So i-check yun through user behavior or through the movements of the mouse. And we have Internet of Things security. So as Internet of Things device become more prevalent, and securing them and their associated network is crucial. So example nito is we have an endpoint security and network segmentation can be key in managing and securing and add secure or securing Internet of Things devices. And of course, one of the most popular then we have the cloud security, which is used in cloud compute. Cloud computing introduced new security risks requiring organization to implement robust security measure to protect their data and infrastructure. So example ito, we have a cloud security solution that can help organization monitor and protect their cloud environment by cyber or from cyber threats. So of course they need it because the cloud is one of the most larger platform. And we have the 5G and edge computing. So when we say 5G and edge computing, it is the expansion of network through 5G and edge computing broadens the attack surface, making it more challenge to secure all potential entry points. So example nito is we have a security solution need to be adaptable to be distributed nature of 5G and edge computing environments. Next natin is the importance of the security. So, what is network security? So, when we say network security, of course, it involves strategies, policy, and technologies to safeguard networks and data from unauthorized access and attacks and breaches. So, why we need security for network security? First, to protect our data and for its integrity. So why it is important to prevent cyber attacks such as malware, phishing, and ransomware, which is done by the hackers. And we have it is important because it ensures the data integrity, confidentiality, and availability. Hmm. And it supports business continuity and compliance with regulations. Of course, if the data is not uh, consistent, the business will fall, and it protects sensitive user and organizational data from breaches, which is one of the most uh, part of the organization or businesses. So here are the key challenges in network security. Well, it has a and these are the key challenges, which is evolving a cyber threat landscape or new technologies using for the attacking. And we have a sophisticated attacks, incidents attacks, detection and response, and we have network complexity and security. So the key challenges in network security include the constant evolution of cyber threats and the rise of sophisticated attacks like ransomware and phishing, and the need for robust incident detection and response capability, as well as the increasing complexity of networks. And let's tackle each one of that. So first is we have the evolving cyber threat landscape. So the evolving cyber threat landscape is rapidly changing tactics. So the attackers are constantly developing new technologies or tools, techniques, making it difficult for security professionals to stay ahead of the curve because the technology is always changing. It is dynamic. And first, the emergent technologies, which is the rise of the AI and cloud computing, introduce new attacks, vectors, and vulnerability that must be addressed. And next is the increase of complexity. which is modern networks are more complex with a wider range of device and application, making making it harder to secure. And next is we have the sophisticated attacks, which is these are the common, which is we have a ransomware, which is attack encrypt data and demand payment for its release, causing significant disruption and financial damage for the company or organization. And we have the phishing, which is attack trick used to revealing sensitive information, often through deceptive emails or websites, which is used for to fish or to gather information from specific target. We have DDoS attacks or the distributed denial of service. It attacks overwhelmed network with traffic, making them unavailable to legitimate users, or they take over the access level of the users. And last, in sophisticated attack, we have a social emerging, which is the attackers use engineering uh, tactics to manipulate individuals and to compromising the security part. And next natin, we have the incident detection and response. So here we have a rapid detection, which is the ability to quick detect and response to security incident, which is crucial to minimize the damage. And we have the containment, which is effective containment measure are needed to prevent attacks from spreading across the network. And we have the remediation, which is the security team must have the skill and tools to quickly remediate security incident, and of course to restore system or to take back the system access. And next we have the complexity and security, or the first one is bring your own device. So for this part is it is about organization must secure device bought into the networks by employee, which is one of the most important things. And next is we have the cloud environment. So the cloud environment introduce new security challenges such as data breach, and of course always the problem, which is the misconfigurations. And one of the things about this is the insider threats, which is about security breaches can also occur from malicious uh, or negligent actions by employees. Next, uh, next is a summary of this module. So let's understand that, or let's remember that the emerging technologies plays as a crucial role in enhancing network security against evolving cyber threats. And the AI, zero trust, or new firewall, blockchain, cryptography are transforming how organization protect the digital infrastructure in this era, because we have a advanced technology, and the organization must adopt these technologies to ensure the security, compliance, and of course the business continuity. And the future of network security will depend on the proactive innovation and implementation. So, uh, in other words, pag may new technology about threats or ransomware or hacking tools, so kailangan din mag-adapt ng security to protect it. And that's all for this lecture or module. Thank you.